When you search for the best SD cards for the DJI Mini 4 Pro, everything looks the same. Same specs, same claims, same tiny cards and flashy packaging. But if you've ever lost footage because of a slow or unreliable card, you know the real difference isn't in the ads. It's in how it performs when you're 400 feet in the air. Product number 1, SanDisk 128GB Extreme. Let's start with the SanDisk 128GB Extreme Micro SDXC card. This one caught my eye because it's built specifically for high-performance recording and is officially recommended by DJI. At $38.10, it's mid-range in price but delivers serious speed, up to 190 MBs read and 130 MBs write. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The DJI Mini 4 Pro shoots 4K/60 FPS and even 5K in some modes, which eats up bandwidth fast. With V30 and U3 ratings, this card guarantees a minimum sustained write speed of 30 MBs, meaning no lag, no buffering, even during long cinematic shots. Plus, the A2 rating helps apps load faster if you're using it in a phone or tablet for editing on the go. Over 10,000 people bought this in the past month, which tells you it's trusted by real users. Now, some people complained about the price per gigabyte being higher than cheaper alternatives. Here's the thing though, you're not just paying for storage, you're paying for consistency. A slower card might work for a few clips, but when you're capturing a once-in-a-lifetime shot, you don't want to risk corruption or dropped frames because of a bargain card. This is perfect for you if you fly regularly and need a dependable, fast card that won't fail mid-flight. Skip this one if you're only doing casual weekend flights and don't shoot much 4K for most Mini 4 Pro pilots, though the peace of mind is worth the extra few bucks. Product number 2, SanDisk 256GB Extreme Pro. Next up, the SanDisk 256GB Extreme Pro. At $63.12, it's pricier, but it's one of the fastest microSD cards on the market with 200 MBs read and 140 MBs write speeds. If you want maximum performance and don't mind spending a bit more, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Mini 4 Pro can record over an hour of 4K footage, and with 256GB, you get plenty of space for long sessions or multiple flights without swapping cards. The V30 rating ensures smooth recording, and the A2 performance means faster app loading if you transfer files to your phone or tablet. It's also built to handle extreme conditions, waterproof, temperature-proof, and X-ray proof, so whether you're flying in the desert or at the beach, your data stays safe. Now, some people complain that it's overkill for casual users, and honestly, they're not wrong. If you only fly once a week and delete clips often, you might not need this much speed or space. But if you're serious about content creation or shoot in high bitrate modes, the extra headroom and durability make a real difference. This is perfect for you if you're a content creator, travel often with your drone, or want a single card that can handle everything. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't shoot long videos. For power users, though, this is a top-tier choice. Product number 3, SanDisk 256GB Extreme Non-Pro. Now, if the Extreme Pro felt a bit too expensive, this next one takes a slightly different approach, the SanDisk 256GB Extreme Non-Pro version. At $57.16, it's faster than the 128GB model and offers the same 190 MBs read and 130 MBs write speeds, but with double the storage. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's fully compatible with the DJI Mini 4 Pro and supports 4K and 5K recording thanks to its V30 and U3 ratings. The A2 performance helps with app responsiveness, and it's built tough, waterproof, temperature-proof, and X-ray proof. Over 3,000 people bought this in the past month, which shows it's a popular middle ground between performance and value. Here's the thing though, for the Mini 4 Pro, you don't actually need 200 MBs. The drone's max write speed is well within what this card can handle. So unless you're transferring massive files to a computer daily, you won't notice the difference. This is perfect for you if you want 256GB of reliable storage without overpaying. Skip this one if you need absolute peak speed for professional editing workflows. For most drone pilots, this is the sweet spot. Product number 4, CT100 128GB 2 Pack. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for budget-conscious flyers. The CT100-128GB micro SDXC card sold in a 2-pack for just $29.21. That's under $15 per card. If you want backup storage without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The read speed is up to 100 MBs, which is slower than SanDisk but still fast enough for smooth video capture. And having 2 cards means you can swap mid-flight or keep one as a backup, handy if you're traveling. Now, some people complained about inconsistent performance in extreme conditions or long recording sessions. Here's the thing though, this isn't a pro-grade card. It's built for casual use. If you're flying in mild weather and not shooting hour-long time lapses, it'll work just fine. But if you push it too hard, you might see dropped frames. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist, fly occasionally, or want spare cards on a budget. Skip this one if you're serious about filmmaking or fly in harsh environments. For the price though, it's a great backup option. Product number 5. Gigastone 512GB 4K Camera Pro. Finally, the Gigastone 512GB 4K Camera Pro. At $114.34, it's the most expensive on this list, but it offers massive storage and solid performance, 150 MB/s read and 120 MB/s write. If you want to record for hours without changing cards, this is worth a serious look. That's perfect for travel, events, or long aerial projects. It's V30 rated, so it handles high bitrate recording smoothly, and the A2 rating helps with app performance. Plus, Gigastone includes a 5-year warranty with free data recovery, something no other brand offers at this level. Now, some people complained about slower write speeds compared to SanDisk's top models. Here's the thing though, 120 MB/s is still more than enough for the Mini 4 Pro. The drone doesn't write that fast, so you won't hit the card's limit. And the data recovery service alone could save you hundreds if something goes wrong. This is perfect for you if you shoot long-form content or hate swapping cards. Skip this one if you're on a budget or don't need that much space. For serious creators, though, it's a powerhouse. So which one should you get? The SanDisk 128GB Extreme is the best all-around pick for most Mini 4 Pro users. Need more space? Go with the 256GB Extreme. Want max speed? The Extreme Pro delivers. On a budget, the CT100 2-pack is solid. And if you never want to change cards, the Gigastone 512GB is a beast. Pick the one that fits your flying style and never lose a shot again.